On December 11, 2014, the United Nations General Assembly had declared June 21st as International Day of Yoga. The observation of International Yoga Day is a global activity, and the preparatory activities normally starts 3 to 4 months prior to the June. On the occasion of the 7th International Day of Yoga, the theme of the International Yoga Day event this year is Yoga for Wellness, a motto aligned to the current preoccupations. Be ready for yoga prayer. Om Sangachadvam Samvadadvam Samvo Manansi Janatam Deva Bhagam Yatha Purve Satjanana Upasate. Open your eyes. Let's be ready for Griva Chalan. Force or tension is used to stretch or pull the head away from the neck. Creating space between the vertebrae relieves compression and allows the muscles relax. This lengthens or stretches the muscles and joints around the neck. These improvements may lead to improved mobility, range of motion, and alignment. Neck exercises can help you to release tension, tightness, and stiffness of neck muscles. They can reduce pain and increase flexibility. A strong neck can help to prevent neck and cervical spinal injuries as well. Tadasana benefits. Tadasana strengthens legs, strengthens biceps and triceps, helps create stability in the shoulders joints, tones abdomen and hips, strengthens the posterior chain, that is back muscles, butt, hamstrings. It also helps improving balance of the body. Ardhakati Chakrasana benefits. Elasticity of lateral region increases. Lateral thoracic muscles are stretched and blood supply to them increases with the help of the Ardhakati Chakrasana Tadasana benefits. Tadasana strengthens legs, strengthens biceps and triceps, helps create stability in the shoulders joints, tones abdomen and hips, strengthens the posterior chain, that is back muscles, but hamstrings. It also helps improving balance of the body. Some health benefits of Vrikshasana are: it strengthens the legs and opens the hips. It improves your neuromuscular coordination. It helps with balance and endurance. It improves alertness and concentration. Benefits of Shirshasana: helpful in stress and increases concentration. It improves the blood flow to the eyes. It gives strength to arms, shoulders, and core muscles. Benefit of Chakrasana: the chest expands and the lungs get more oxygen. This makes the pose especially beneficial for asthma patients. Butterfly stretch. Benefits: the butterfly stretch targets your hips along with your groin, inner thighs, and knees. Loosening up these areas of the body and strengthening your back muscles can help. ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः। सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः। सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु। मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।
Today is International Yoga Day. Time to get fit is all I can say. If you haven't exercised till now, it's time for you to take a bow. Few simple asanas is how you start. Get your mats and put in your heart. Today is International Yoga Yoga Day. Close your eyes and a deep inhale. Chant Om as you exhale. Feel the energy of Mother Earth. As you stretch, you will know the worth. Don't think too much, just come on. Do it once, you'll surely be drawn. Today is International Yoga Day.
सुनो भारत के तुम वासी, योग हमें अब करना। सुनो भारत के तुम वासी, योग हमें अब करना। भारत के ऋषियों को अब याद तुम करना, अब याद तुम करना। भारत के ऋषियों को अब याद तुम करना, अब याद तुम करना। सुनो भारत के तुम वासी, योग हमें अब करना। सुनो भारत के तुम वासी, योग हमें अब करना। भारत के ऋषियों को अब याद तुम करना, अब याद तुम करना। भारत के ऋषियों को अब याद तुम करना, अब याद तुम करना। अपनी संस्कृति राष्ट्र राष्ट्र को एक जुड़ाए लाए। अपनी संस्कृति राष्ट्र राष्ट्र को एक